We're energizing Ontario and building a grid for the future. Southwestern Ontario is an agricultural and manufacturing hub. The Windsor-Detroit border crossing represents about a third of all Canadian trade with the US. It's an incredible region, and we're excited to be part of helping it grow.
Southwestern Ontario is growing at warp speed. We're seeing many young families move into Chatham-Kent, which is a wonderful thing, and it's great to have dependable hydro here in our community for them.
Greenhouses are a wonderful innovation that they can produce high-yield crops almost continuously year-round, but they do require a lot of energy, and that's where we come in. Our job is to ensure that the electricity is getting to the people where and when they need it. We're committed to ensuring that the electricity grid is ready for the growth in Ontario. Our investment in the new transmission line running from Chatham to Lakeshore is one example of investing in local economies and helping support economic development and jobs across the entire region. This region has a bright future, and we're committed to ensure a safe and reliable supply of electricity to meet all their growing needs.